Welcome back, YouTubers. Quick little tip here. I'm tidying up my garage, which basically means I'm picking up all the junk in the floor and finding places to hang it. One of the things I have is quite a few drop cords. And if you've ever tried to hang a drop cord on a nail, it just doesn't work very good. So here's a little trick. Find you a piece of rope, tie a loop in one end, decide about how much you're going to need to wrap around, whether it's drop cord, maybe it's garden hose or whatever. Pull back about 6-7 inches, doubled up to make a loop. Go around your finger like you were tying a balloon. Put that loop through and make you a little bit bigger loop than the first one. Now, all you have to do is take your drop cord or garden hose or whatever, put the little loop through the big loop, and now you can hang that on a nail. You won't have your cord falling off or getting tangled up, and if you really want to, you can hang more than one item from the same nail. And if you leave this extra cord on here, don't cut that off, and you decide you want to do something different, like you want to hang up 2 drop cords, or you want to use this same rope to hang up a garden hose, air hose, whatever, you just change where that loop was tied, and you have more room to go around. Thanks for watching, guys.